So yesterday we have seen addition of integers, right? Today we are going to see subtraction of integers. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Okay. Okay. So we have seen addition of integers yesterday. Today we are going to learn about subtraction of integers. Okay. So good morning everyone. This is teacher Shubhangi. Welcome you all in maths lecture. Okay. So today we are going to do subtraction of integers, right? See, we have seen natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, right? Everyone knows what is mean by natural numbers. The number starts with 1, 2, 3. All the positive numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are natural numbers, right? All the numbers, positive numbers, including zero, are whole numbers, right? So what are these negative numbers then? So negative numbers, 0, as well as positive numbers are known as integers. Understood? All negative numbers, 0 as well as positive numbers are known as integers. So we have seen addition of integers, right, in last lecture. In today's lecture we are going to learn subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers. In addition of integers, simple sums were there, right? But in case of subtraction, see, some of the complications are there between signs of numbers. Okay. So in this case, yesterday also I have make you understand this. If -9 is there, okay, and here minus 4, right? Minus 4. Whenever the minus sign or plus sign is there in the bracket, in front of the bracket, जब भी अगर ब्रैकेट के आगे नेगेटिव साइन रहता है या पॉजिटिव साइन रहता है, तो दैट साइन इज मल्टीप्लाइंग टू द ब्रैकेट. Everyone please pay attention over here, because you will feel some complications regarding this. Why? Because here the signs are here, whenever the bracket is there and two signs are there in bracket, okay, so that time some confusion might be there with you. Okay, so in this case -9 remain as it is. This is minus and in bracket -4. Now if we have to solve this question, okay, is equal to this -9 remain as it is. Whatever the first number is there, first we solve bracket. Now here minus is there and multiplied by -4. यहाँ पे जो ब्रैकेट के आगे जो साइन है वो मल्टीप्लाई रहता है पूरे ब्रैकेट को. Okay, now here minus into minus is equal to what? Plus. Minus into minus is equal to what? Plus. Now this 4 remain as it is. Understood? Getting my point? See, again I repeat this. -9 comes down as it is. This minus is multiplying to the whole bracket. Okay, now minus into minus, as per the rule of multiplication, minus into minus is equal to plus. In addition and subtraction, what we do? Minus plus minus is equal to plus, but we give the sign of minus only, right? In case of, for example, see, -4 plus -5 अगर रहता है, तो we do minus minus plus, means 4 plus 5 is 9. right? But we give the sign of bigger number, that is 5. Okay, but in case of multiplication, the rule is what? Minus into minus is equal to plus. That means what? Here minus into minus, the sign will give is plus. Okay, now we have done addition of integer. Now minus 9 plus 4, we know that minus plus minus. Okay, so 9 minus 4 is what? Sorry, so 9 minus 4 is what? 5. And we'll give the sign of bigger number, that is what? 9. 9 के आगे कौन सा sign है? Minus. And 9 is the only bigger number. So we'll give the sign of bigger number, that is minus. So here the answer is what? Minus 5. Please note down this sum in your notebook, everyone. Okay. Now minus 9 minus 4. Here again I repeat, minus into minus plus. Now minus 9 plus 4. Here minus plus minus, and 9 minus 4 is 5. But we'll give the sign of bigger number, that is minus. Okay. Next sum we'll see. Next sum we'll see. Wait a minute. Now minus 4 minus minus 9. Same. Minus 4 minus minus 9. Wait a minute. Here minus 4, right? Minus 4 minus what? Wait a minute. Minus 4 minus 4 minus 9, correct? Minus 4 minus 9, correct? Is equal to, what will happen? Again same, this minus into minus, minus into minus plus. That means what? Minus 4 remain as it is, like minus 4 remain as it is. Now minus into minus is what? Plus. Minus into minus plus, which is equal to minus into minus plus, and then 9 remain as it is. Now do minus 4 plus 9, plus minus what? Plus minus minus. Okay, so which is equal to what? 9 minus 4 will be 5. Okay, but we will give the sign of bigger number. Which number is bigger over here? 9 is bigger, right? So we'll give the sign of plus only. Understood? Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear, everyone? Please let me know in chat box. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes, teacher. Okay. Very good response. Very good. Okay. I'll repeat it again. Wait a minute. Now here plus 9 minus plus 4. Okay. Plus 9 plus minus 4. Again here plus 9 minus plus 4. So here plus 9. Sorry. Plus 9 minus what? Plus 4, right? Minus plus 4, correct? Plus 9 minus plus 4. Now ये both the signs are same. यहाँ पे 9 के आगे भी plus sign है और 4 के आगे भी plus sign है. So what we are going to do? First solve bracket, right? So here minus into plus is there. Now which is equal to this plus 9 remain as it is. As plus we will not give plus sign in front of 9. अगर plus 9 के आगे कुछ sign नहीं रहता है, that means what? It is 9 only, right? Now minus into plus is what? Minus into plus is minus, and then 4 remain as it is. Now 9 minus 4 is equal to what? 9 minus 4 is equal to what? 5. See, minus 4 remain as it is. Sorry, plus 9 remain as it is. Wait a minute. Please pay attention over here. This plus 9 remain as it is. Now minus into plus. This minus into plus. First we solve the bracket. Minus into plus is plus. And this minus into plus, sorry, minus. Yes, step. This is not the correct one. See, plus 9 remain as it is. Plus into minus minus. Now plus 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, no need to write this one step. No need to write this one step. This one. No need to write. Don't write this step. Okay. So plus 9 remain as it is. Minus into plus is minus. 4 remain as it is. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. Now again in fourth one, pay attention everyone in fourth one. Plus 9 remain as it is. Now minus into minus is what? Plus. 4 remain as it is. Now 9 plus 4 is what? 13. 9 plus 4 is equal to what? 13. I hope everyone has cleared this doubt. These are the solved examples. I hope everyone has been cleared. Okay. Please let me know. Go to participant and click on yes or no button. Let me know how many of yours have understood this. Okay, Simran, I have unmuted you. What doubt you have? Please unmute yourself, Simran. You raised your hand, no? Please let me know why you raised your hand. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the next, right? Practice set 8. Practice set 8. Okay, come to practice set 8 right now. Now these 3 remain as it is. So we'll write here 3. So minus sign is there, minus, and then 6. 3 minus 6. First write down this one, 3. Then minus, and then here 6 comes down, which is equal to. Now 3 minus 6 is equal to what? If 3 is there and minus is there, okay, plus minus, minus. So 3 minus 6 is equal to, means what? 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, but we'll give the sign of bigger number, that is 6. 6 bigger है कि 3 bigger है? 6 bigger है, और 6 के आगे कौन सा sign है? Minus. So we'll give here minus 3. Understood? We'll give here minus 3. Now again, this 3 comes down. Okay. Now minus, here minus will come, and 9 comes down. Okay. Now 3 minus 9. Who want to give this answer? Raise your hand. Okay. Who want to give this answer? Please raise your hand. No one? Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, Mansi, I unmute you. Please tell me the answer.
It's a minus 6.
Minus 6, how? How?
It's a
Hmm?
minus 3.
9
Min-
minus 3 is equal to 6, right? And sorry.
It's a minus 3 minus 9. Now minus multiplied by plus is equal to minus.
No,
So-
no. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Huh? Wait a minute. See what happened? here 3 minus 6 is equal to 3 is equal to minus 3. Here will come 3 and then minus 9. So 3 minus 9. 3, no multiplication is there. 3 minus 9. Okay. So instead of 3, no sign is there. That means we consider it as plus. Now plus minus minus. So 9 minus 3 is equal to what? 6. But which is bigger number? 9. And 9 के आगे कौन सा sign है? Minus. So we'll give here minus sign. So minus 6 is the correct answer. Clear? Clear now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay. Now for next one. Wait a minute. For next one. Okay, now next sum is here 3 minus, because minus sign is there. That's why we have put here in, after 3 minus sign, right? Now here minus 4 is there. So minus के आगे minus हम लोग नहीं लिख सकते, एक ही साथ दो साइन नहीं लिख सकते. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग लेंगे ब्रैकेट में -4. We'll take -4 in bracket. Okay, now 3 minus. Now two signs we cannot give at the same time. So we'll put another number in bracket. Okay. So see here 3 minus -4 is there, that we have seen in last slide. Whenever minus into minus, minus ये sign bracket को क्या रहेगा? Multiply. Now minus into minus is plus. So 3 plus 4 is equal to what? 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to what? 7. तो यहाँ पे आंसर क्या आएगा अपना? 7. Okay, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Understood everyone? Now next term is, here it comes -5. Here it comes -5. And here it is 3. Now here it comes 3 minus what? -5. 3 minus -5. 3 minus -5. Okay. Now who will give the answer of this? Please let me know in your chat box. What will be the answer? 3 minus -5. 3 minus -5. 3 minus -5. 3 minus -5. Yes, because minus into minus is what? Plus, and 3 plus 5 is equal to what? 8. Am I audible to everyone? Because some students are saying, teacher, your voice is not clear. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, teacher, you are completely audible.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so the answer is what? +8. How answer is +8? How answer is +8? Now here, this 3 will comes to this side. This 3 will comes to this side.
Teacher,
Then,
sorry,
yes,
your screen is not visible to some students. Can you please share your screen again?
screen is not visible.
Yes, teacher. Some students are not able to see your screen. Some are able to see, some are not. Can you
Okay,
please
wait.
share?
Okay, wait a minute. Teacher, now? Now, teacher?
I am also not able to see your screen.
Now also not.
Yes, teacher. Now also I am not able to see.
Wait a minute.
Students, those who are able to see the teacher's screen, give me thumbs up in the participants.
Wait a minute. Again, I am going to share this screen with you, teacher.
Now it is visible, teacher.
Okay, I have again shared this screen right now. Okay, thank you, teacher. Okay, so see, this 3 will comes to this side and this 6 will comes down. Now 3 minus 6 plus minus minus. So 6 minus 3 is 3, and we give the sign of bigger number, that is minus. Okay. Again, in this case, 3 will comes to this side. See, 3 will comes to this side. Minus sign will come, and then 9 comes down. Again, plus, minus, minus. Now, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now, which number is bigger? 9 is bigger. So, we'll give the sign of 9. That is minus. Now, again, in this case, 3 will comes first. Minus will come then. And then here minus 4 is there, right? So, minus 4 comes down. Now, here minus and minus is there. Minus into minus is what? Plus. Now, 3 plus 4 is equal to what? 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to what? 7. Okay. Now, next one is in second column, 8 will come to this side. Now, minus will come then, and then 6 will comes down. Now, 8 minus 6 is equal to what? 2. And the number, which number is bigger? 8 is bigger. And what sign is there in front of 8? Plus. That means what? We will give the answer of plus 2. Plus sign will be there to the answer. Now again this 8 comes to the second column, then minus 1, and then 9 comes down. Okay. Now 8 minus 9 plus minus minus 9 minus 8 is equal to what? 1. And what is the bigger number? 8 or 9? 9 is bigger. And what sign is there in front of 9? Minus. So the answer is what? Minus 1. Now again this 8 will comes to this side, minus then come, and then minus 4 will take in bracket. Why? Because both the signs are there together. So we'll put our minus 4 in the separate bracket. Okay. Now 8 minus minus 4. So minus into minus plus, and 8 plus 4 is equal to what? 12. Okay. So this much you have understood. Okay. I will give you one problem to solve. Please give me answer. Let me know your answer in your chat box. Okay. I will give you this number here. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 6. Minus 3, minus 6. Give me this answer in your chat box. Minus 3, minus 6 will be what? Minus 3, minus 6. Minus 3, minus 6. Very good, Vedant. Very good. No, Siddhi. Minus 3, minus 6. I have not asked you minus 3, minus 9. I have asked you minus 3, minus 6. Correct. Tejashri, correct. Very good. No, Prem. That I know this doubt might you have. See, whenever there is addition or subtraction, we will do addition or subtraction with sign. Okay. So minus 3, minus 6, minus minus plus. That means 6 plus 3 is what? 9. Right? Here addition and subtraction we are taking. No. So minus minus plus. So 3 plus 6 is 9. But the sign will give of bigger number in case of addition and subtraction. So which number is bigger? 6. So we'll give here minus sign. So what will be our answer? Minus 9. What will be our answer? Minus 9. Clear everyone? Minus 9. Clear everyone? Similarly, now give me answer in your chat box. Minus 2, same pattern. Minus 2, minus 6. Now which will be the answer? Now let me in chat box. Minus 2, minus 6. Minus 2, minus 6. Minus 8. Good. Tejashri, Harsh, Vedant, Pranav, Ishita, Gaurav, Pranjal, Khushi, Yash. Very good. Very good. Okay, Rishita, Arshada, Tanuja, Visharat. Very good. Now everyone has cleared their doubt. Okay. Whenever minus minus 2 same signs are there. Okay. तो हम addition ही करते हैं और sign किसका देते हैं? Bigger number का. Okay. So minus 2 minus 6 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. But sign of bigger number, that is minus 1. Understood? Understood? Clear everyone? Okay. Now again I'll ask you one question, that is minus 3 minus sorry. -3 minus -4, -3 minus -4. Let me know this answer in your chat box. -3 minus -4, -3 minus -4, -3 minus -4. Okay, mixed responses I am getting. Many of the students are giving correct answer. Good. Many of the students are giving correct answer. That is somewhat confusing. Some that this is, but still some of the students are giving right answer. Okay. So here -3 remain as it is. -3 remain as it is. Now I have told you whenever bracket is there in front of any sign, we will do multiplication, right? So minus into minus is what? Plus. Minus into minus is equal to what? Plus. And then 4 will comes down. ये माइनस इस ब्रैकेट वाले माइनस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा और हमारा आंसर आएगा +4. नाउ -3 + 4 व्हाट विल बी देयर? प्लस माइनस माइनस, सो 4 - 3 is 1 and the sign of bigger number is equal to what? +1. What the answer is? +1. I hope everyone has cleared their doubt. Okay, the answer is +1. Good. Answer is +1. Okay. Now same question I am again giving you. Now I want correct answer everyone. Okay, same question. So if -2 is there, -2 minus -2 minus -4, -2 minus -4. Okay, -2 minus -4. Give me answers. I want answers in chat box only. Good. -2 minus -4. Jay Singh, Asmita, Ahana. Good. Good. Mansi also good. Prem. Good. Giving correct answer. Very good. Very good, students. Okay. So, let me explain you. Please pay attention, everyone, instead of typing. Okay, please pay attention. This -2 remain as it is. Now again, minus into minus is equal to what? Plus, right? And 4 remain as it is. So what will be our answer? -2 + 4. What it is? माइनस प्लस माइनस होता है और हम 4 में से अगर 2 माइनस करते तो हमारा आंसर 2 आएगा और साइन हम बिगर नंबर का देंगे. बिगर नंबर कौन सा है? 4. तो साइन कौन सा आएगा? प्लस ओनली. तो क्या आंसर आएगा हमारा? +2. अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? ओके. Okay, so good. So when you try to solve the sum, then only you will clear your doubts. Maths is a subject whenever you, unless and until you practice it, you will not solve the sums properly. It needs practice. Okay, it needs practice. Everyone now clear your doubt. Okay, so again we will discuss about another sum. Okay. So how will solve this sum if 0 is there? If 0 is there. Okay. So if 0 is there, so how we are going to solve the sum then? Okay. So our 3 will comes to this side. Minus and then 0 comes down. Now 3 minus 0 is equal to what? 3 only. 3 minus 0 is equal to what? 3. Again this 3 comes to this column. Right? Minus will comes to this side. And then +7 will comes down. Again bracket को ये minus multiply है तो plus into minus क्या होता है? Minus. जब भी हम लोग multiplication करते हैं तो हम bigger और smaller number consider नहीं करते हैं. Let me clear your doubt. Whenever we are solving the sums of multiplication, that time we do not consider the sign of bigger number. See यहाँ पे minus है but 7 के पास तो plus sign है. तो टीचर यहाँ पे माइनस कैसे आया, ये आपका क्वेश्चन रहेगा, राइट? बट यहाँ पे 3 एज इट इज है और व्हेनेवर ब्रैकेट के आगे माइनस साइन है तो ये माइनस साइन ने किसको मल्टीप्लाई किया है? +7 को, राइट? So plus into minus minus, so, and 7 remain as it is. Now 3 minus 7, 3 minus 7 plus minus minus. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, 7 minus 3 is 4. But we'll give the sign of bigger number, that is 7. 7 के आगे कौन सा साइन है? माइनस. तो हमने यहाँ पे साइन कौन सा दिया? माइनस. So minus 4 will be our answer. Understood everyone? ओके सो जब भी हम लोग ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करते हैं तो प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस ही लिखते हैं, माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस ही लिखते हैं, माइनस इंटू माइनस, माइनस इंटू माइनस. यहाँ पे देखो माइनस इंटू माइनस, यहाँ पे हमने प्लस ही लिखा. ठीक है, तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में वी नेवर कंसिडर द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर. ओके, बट इन केस ऑफ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन वी कंसिडर द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर. Understood everyone? Okay, now minus 2 here, see minus 2 minus minus 5. Minus 2 remain as it is, minus into minus plus, and 5 remain as it is. Now plus minus minus, 5 minus 2 is 3, but in front of 5 plus sign is there, that's why we have given here plus sign. Similarly minus 2 minus 0, minus 2 में से कोई भी नंबर में से 0 अगर माइनस होता है तो आंसर वही नंबर रहता है, right? So whenever we subtracting or adding 0 in any number, the answer will be the same. So minus 2 minus 0 is what? Minus 2. Understood? In this case also minus 2 minus plus 7. Now minus into plus is equal to what? Minus. Now minus 2 minus 7 is, both the signs are same. That means what? We are adding the number. 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay, 2 plus 7 is 9 and we give the sign of bigger number, that is minus. Clear everyone? I hope everyone has cleared their doubts. Okay? Okay. Okay. ठीक है? So we will revise the chapter again. Okay? Please pay attention everyone. The whole chapter I am going to revise and then we'll do evaluation. Okay. Now natural number, whole number, everyone please pay attention. The all positive numbers are natural numbers. For example, see in this case. Wait. All positive numbers are natural numbers. See from 1 to so on are natural number. From 0 to so on. That means what? If we take an example of 5, so 5 is natural number or whole number? Let me know in chat box, 5 is whole number or natural number? Or both? Or both? Both. Very good. Both. Because 5 is natural number as well as whole number, right? Okay. Except what? 0. All the numbers, all the positive numbers are natural number as well as whole number except 0. Only 0 is whole number, right? But integer means what? If the negative numbers are there besides 0, so negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 are known as integers. Are known as integers. Okay. So see here, negative number, group of negative number, 0 and positive numbers are known as integers. Are known as integers. Now next is the number on the left side of 0 are called as negative integer. Minus 5 is smaller than minus 4. Now we have classified positive number to one side and negative number to other side. Okay. Then if below is there, word like below is there, then we will give the sign of minus. Okay. Below means what? Minus. Above means what? Plus. So here 7C below 0 degree. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे -7 degree Celsius. 12 degree Celsius below 0 degree. That means we will give here we'll give answer of -12 degree Celsius. 22 degree Celsius above. यहाँ पे word above आया है. So that means what it is? Plus. Now 31 degree Celsius above 0 degree. So यहाँ पे भी हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? 31 degree Celsius plus 31 degree Celsius above. Okay, whenever the above degree is there, above word is there, that way we'll give plus sign. Whenever below word is there, we'll give minus sign to the answer. Understood? Understood? Below minus, above plus. Okay. Then see some word problems are there. Submarine as a depth of, depth मतलब क्या हो गया, नीचे आ गया ना, नीचे आ गया. That means depth whenever the below or depth is there, that we will give the answer minus sign. A height of, height means what, above, so we'll give here plus sign. Similarly, a kite is flying at a distance of 120 meter from the ground. So यहाँ पे 120 meters, the kite is flying above, right? So that means what, above the ground. That means here it will come plus 120 meter, right? But similarly, tunnel is at the depth of 2 meters under the ground, below the ground. So here it will come minus 2 meters. Okay. Next is we have seen addition of integers, right? So minus 2, here plus, and then 8 plus minus minus. So 8 minus 2 is 6, but we'll give the sign of bigger number. That is 8 is bigger or 2 is bigger? 8 is bigger. So answer is what? Plus 6. Understood? Next is we have seen addition of integers. Minus 2 remain as it is, plus, and then 8, then plus 6. Again minus 2 comes to the second column, plus sign will be there, and then 4. Again plus minus, both the numbers are having opposite sign. So plus minus, minus, 4 minus 2 is 2, and the sign of bigger number is plus. Understood? Clear everyone? Okay. Now here minus 2 will comes to this side. Then here it will come plus. Okay, here by mistakenly minus is there. Plus, and then minus 3. But plus into minus is minus. That's why teacher has given here minus sign. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Okay, then we have seen opposite sign of 47 is minus 47. Opposite sign of plus 52 is minus 52. Opposite sign of minus 33 is plus 33. And we have seen this. Minus रहेगा तो plus, minus रहेगा तो plus, plus if plus will be there, down will be minus. Opposite sign of plus number is minus. Okay, numbers are same, but the signs will be different. Okay, if plus 16 will be there, so the opposite number of plus 16 is minus 16. Okay, the sum of two negative numbers is positive. Okay, but we'll give the sign of bigger number. Loss of rupees 10, loss हो गया, that means minus 10. Okay, here we have seen how the rabbit hopped to the next number, and that if at first the rabbit was at the number 1, and then he hopped the units. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 1 plus 5 is 6, that we have seen yesterday. Addition of number. Then we have seen how to give the proper sign, bigger number, smaller number equal to. Okay, 5 positive numbers are always bigger than the negative number. Okay, and the negative smaller number is bigger than the negative greater number. Okay, minus 2 is bigger than minus 8. How that we have seen in yesterday's lecture. Here 5 is bigger than minus 12 because positive numbers are bigger than the negative numbers. Okay. Next, now we have seen how to subtract the integers. Understood everyone? I hope you all have cleared your doubt. Okay. Okay. So we have completed our chapter. Okay. Which chapter we have completed? Third one, that is integers. We have completed our third chapters now. Okay. All the practice sets has been done. Okay,